that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, girls, them a random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh.
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is a crochet lock video I'm super excited about. This is sponsored by Toyotress. So thank you so much, Toyotress, for sending over this new hair. Now let's jump right into this braid pattern. As you can see, I had some old dusty braids in my hair, so I went ahead and took those out. I didn't wash my hair for this one. I didn't want to overstress my natural hair, so I didn't wash it. I will wash it in the next couple days or so because it definitely could use it. So I went ahead and split my hair down the middle and then split it across the crown, making a large section in the back and two small sections in the front. So this is what the braid pattern is going to look like on the other side. I did this side so you guys can kind of take a look at what I did, and then I'm going to show you more explicitly on the other side. So I started off with just two straight back braids down by my ear. You don't see those, but those are just two straight back braids down by my ear. And then I split a section at the top and just did box braids for that section. And then I started to go ahead and add those braids into this cornrow, but I decided against it because I didn't want to make this cornrow too bulky. So in order to keep that cornrow small and more invisible, I decided to attach those braids at the top to this next cornrow. So as you can see at the front of this one, I did do a small box braid just at the perimeter of my head. So you can see there's 4 box braids at the perimeter of my head. So then I started just braiding, intertwined that first box braid in, and then pulled those box braids from the top and pulled them over that cornrow and pulled them down into the cornrow that I'm braiding. And as you can see next to that braid, I do have just 2 straight back cornrows. So this is a new braid pattern. I've never tried this braid pattern before. I did really end up liking how it came out. It's not as versatile as I usually do. I usually like to have several parting options, but this was really pretty and it definitely disguised the crochet. So I went ahead and grabbed the hair. This is the 8-pack of the Bohemian crochet locks with curly ends. I did get the color 1B27613. This color was very bright and a little scary at first, but as I went along and did the install, it definitely grew on me as time went by. Now when you're crocheting, you want to make sure that those curly pieces don't get caught up, so just make sure you pull them all the way through when you're pulling your lock through. At the top, you're just going to put 1 lock through each box braided section, and it's going to give you that illusion of individual locks. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get that illusion without doing the work of individual crochets, and this definitely gives you that. So as usual through the regular cornrows, you're just going to cornrow your locks as normal. And then once you start getting to the top, you're going to want to crochet 1 into each individual box braid. So like you see that small box braid at the front, you're just going to crochet 1 lock into that one. Now those free box braids there where the ends are just hanging, you're going to want to intertwine those into the lock. So you're going to crochet the lock through, then you're going to grab your own, then you're going to push the crochet needle through the lock. You're going to grab your own hair and pull it through the inside of the crochet lock, and that will disguise your hair. Now be careful when you're taking these down not to cut your own hair. So just remember your real hair is inside there. And that's what it looks like, you guys. It definitely gives that nice illusion of real, you know, individual locks, and I'm loving it. Now, like I said, usually I do braid patterns that give you multiple parting options. This one doesn't give you multiple parting options, but it does give you multiple styling options. So stay tuned for those. Now, like I said, this color is definitely for the bold and the beautiful, but it definitely was really, really pretty. It's a nice summer bright color that you're not gonna see too many people rocking, and I love that about it. And when you style it, it definitely has a fun, flirty look to it. So I highly recommend this look. And if you don't want to go with this color, it is obviously an option to have it in multiple different colors that Toyotress offers, and they also offer it in multiple different lengths. This hair is very lightweight, very, very pretty, and I am excited to try it in a couple more colors and a couple different lengths. So let me know what color you guys would like to see me try next and what length you think you'd like to see me try, because I'll definitely be interested in trying those for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you learned something new, or you're ready to try a new braid pattern, because this was new for me, but it was definitely exciting to give it a try and to see how it worked out, especially with these different styling options. I was very impressed with this braid pattern. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it for me. Leave a comment down below if you have questions. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you turn on your notifications. Do one thing for me. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.